Hello! Today we're going to be opening up a Snackcrate from South Korea, and this is my husband.
Hey, what's up?
Juan. And the little person that you hear in the background is our baby. Alright. This is what it looks like on the inside. Alright, you pick our first snack. And I'll pick the next one.
These are corn chips.
Try one of Crown's 4 very best crunchy sweet snacks. Enjoy either Shazang, Jolly Pong, churros, or corn chips. So we are about to try the corn chips. Ooh, it looks very fluffy. Weird, it has like a sweet taste to it.
Yeah, there's a sweet finish to it. Tastes similar to some I tasted before. I can't put my finger on it.
It's super airy, but it does have like a sweet flavor. I'm thinking about doing this.
Sweet.
Okay, I'm gonna pick. This is a custard cake. A light, sweet sponge cake filled with a rich, creamy custard, a popular Korean dessert snack that is good to eat any time of day. Good. That would be noble. Okay, so this is what the package looks like. Here is the little custard cake. I guess I'll just take over here. Here's the angel food cake. Doesn't it?
Pretty good.
That's really good. I didn't really get a lot of the middle stuff.
Yeah, it is real fluffy. It's a pound cake.
That's what it tastes like. It tastes like a pound cake. Angel food cake or something. And the custard in the middle is just like a softer texture. It doesn't really, it's not overly sweet or anything. It's actually pretty good.
Okay, we'll try this.
Lemonade chew.
Lemonade chew.
A fruit chew with a sweet and sour kick. An addicting candy found all over Korea. Try either grape, peach, strawberry, or lemonade. And we have the lemonade flavor of the fruit chew.
And this is, it looks like it's the same brand as the potato chip. This is Crown. Yeah, Crown. This is what the package looks like. Ooh. Or like a mambo.
Tastes like those fruit chews you always get.
Mambo?
Mm-hmm. Same, like, consistency, too.
It's a little bit harder. Like a mix with that in a
Like
now
a now
later.
later. But that was good. Okay, I've tried to find something that, I tried to find something that was not sweet after that. So these are baked potato sticks. Thin, crunchy sticks flavored with butter and salt to taste like an undeniably delicious baked potato. Bet you can't stop at just one. Well, we'll see.
Ooh. Good shape.
It's a good shape. It's thick. I'm trying to get another long one all the way around. And here. Cheers.
Kind of like those things, you know, that you dip in the cheese, the little, I don't know what they're called. the little packets and it has.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It has a little biscuit thing.
Yeah, that's what it smells like.
This is a potato? I would not guess that this was a potato. This is a potato, right?
Oh, is it?
I would think this was bread.
No.
Tastes like a breadstick.
Very crunchy.
Like, doesn't even taste like the potato sticks, like, you know, those little fries.
Mm-hmm.
It tastes like a little breadstick.
Those are pretty good.
They are good. You want another one?
Yeah, I think.
Good to have something not sweet before we eat all this other sweet stuff. So these are good.
Let's go with this. Chocolate pie. Looks like what are moon pies.
Yeah, that it does remind me of moon pies.
Let's see how it tastes.
These marshmallow pies are adored by all Koreans. Every single one of them. They are regularly smuggled into North Korea, where they are as good as cash.
Drugs.
These better be good. As good as cash. Save that. Go buy us something nice. Looks like a moon pie.
It looks just like moon pie. You want me to bite it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Tastes like a moon pie?
It tastes like moon pie. Moon pies can be used as currency, apparently.
Mm-hmm. It's basically a moon pie. Yugwa. This. I don't know if you can see, like, it's ricey.
Korean rice cookies.
The most traditional Korean cookie made of honey, flour, and toasted rice. You are sure to find this snack during any holiday celebration in Korea.
Oh,
That looks like styrofoam.
no, it's not.
This is
Very subtle.
very, very subtle. I think it only sweetened with honey, I think.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a good, subtle thing to have in between all this other sweet stuff.
Yeah, it was very fluffy, like styrofoamy,
Yeah.
and it is
Sweet, but it's
very,
not super sweet.
like, literally just tastes like they drizzled some honey on it.
This is pretty good.
It is definitely good.
I'm taking a piece of that.
He's going back for seconds. They give us two. Butter waffle, butter waffle.
That's what it says.
So this one, butter waffle. Everything you love about a waffle smothered in butter, but this version is made to take on the go. Try this crunchy snack for breakfast. Or how about now? Not for breakfast, for whatever time it is right now. Okay. This is what it looks like.
More than one?
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Little man is screaming. So this is what it looks like a little waffle.
It smells similar to ice cream cones.
Oh my goodness. I'm drunk. So it tastes like a buttery waffle cone. You can't have that. You want a pup? This is our baby. This and this makes this. You want another pup? There you go. I like this. This is good.
Pretty.
Let's do these gummies next.
That's good.
It is grape flavored gummies. And it says sweet and authentic grape flavored gummies that will surely satisfy your sweet tooth. This is not your typical gummy treat. What does that mean? Guess we're about to find out. It's pretty big. Cute. Smells like grape. Looks like a little grape. Tastes like a grape gummy. Exactly what you would think it would taste like. I'm not even a big grape person, but these are good. Like, it doesn't taste like medicine. Some grape or cherry stuff I don't like because it tastes like medicine. Which one of these do you want to try?
The Pepito.
Okay. This is what it looks like. It's cute. It has a little bear on the box. It says crunchy biscuit sticks dipped in creamy white chocolate and covered in small cookie crumbles. You can't get enough of this Korean classic. Here you go. Here's a puff, bud. Don't want you to feel left out. Look, here you go. All right. Cheers. Good. I used to love those Hershey's cookies and cream bar. They used to be my favorite candy bar.
Do they make those anymore?
I believe they do. I don't know. I haven't gotten one in forever. But this is good. It tastes just like that candy bar, just melted on a stick.
I think it tastes better.
You think this tastes better? He likes it more. All right. Now we have a cookie. And this is soft and chewy coffee flavored cookie with chunks of chocolate chip and cream cheese. A sweet and decadent delicacy.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like tiramisu is on here. This is what it looks like.
Oh.
Here, Bubba. That's good.
That is pretty good. Definitely tastes the coffee.
Yeah. That's a good cookie. All right, we've got one final item left. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. This is Pushu 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 Pushu. A favorite Korean snack involves crunching the noodles in the bag and then covering the noodles in the flavoring included. But I've actually, when I was younger, I used to do that with the ramen. Break it up, put the seasoning in it, and just eat it out the bag as a snack. So I think that's pretty much the same thing. Smells like ramen. Shaking it up. Okay, I think that's really good.
Yeah, it's probably.
Good. Reminds me of eating ramen out of the bag. The seasoning's pretty good too, huh?
I had some sweetness to it.
Yeah, you see? Look, wave. Say hi. You say hi? Good job. These are too crunchy for you. But I can give you a puff. Yeah, puff. Mmm. Yummy. This is our first snack crate that we've ever gotten, and I definitely want to try some more. I think it's kind of cool to try. I think it's cool to try snacks from different countries, because I mean, I don't know if I'm ever going to go to South Korea. Probably not.
I don't see that happening in the near future.
Yeah, no, not that I know of. So just to get to try some popular snacks from somewhere else is pretty cool. What was your favorite thing that we tried?
My favorite sweet thing is probably the custard.
I think so too, me too. That little custard cake was good.
Yeah, the custard was good, and then I like the subtleness of the rice.
The rice cookie?
Yeah, the rice cookie thing.
Oh yeah. Juan is all about fruit snacks. That is his jam. So I'm not surprised that he liked those. For the not sweet, I kind of just like the weird breadstick, potato stick things. I thought those were good. But also, I don't know, the corn chips were kind of good.
Yeah, I think the potatoes take it for me.
The potato sticks?
Mm-hmm.
Corn chips were kind of good, but they still had like a subtle sweetness to them. But yeah, no. Overall, I didn't taste anything that I didn't like.
God bless you.
Bless you, baby. But thank you so much for watching, and subscribe if you want to. Like it if you want to. Try out a Snackcrate and make a video of your own trying everything out. And
just do it.
yeah, just do it. And check back on my channel again for different videos, hopefully starring these two cuties. That is the light. Do you like the light? Yeah, cool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you try out a Snackcrate. If you don't, that's fine. You better try it out. But thank you for watching, and check in next time when we try a different country. I mean, yeah, country. Oh. Watch out, little tiny person. And yeah, that's it, right?
Good.
Alright, we're wrapping it up. Put a bow on it.